Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Louis Ehuefo. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to put beats for the EDO hairstyle. As you can see, I started from the sides but behind. So I like to do this because I really don't like people to see where the beating starts and ends. So you're going to get the smaller bobby pin. I'm going to pop it up on the screen so you see the size we're using. So if you want to see how we got here, the install and how we put the padding on the hair, we went live, but the video is on the channel. I'm going to link it up here, so you guys go check that video out so you can get a clearer understanding on how we got here. So for the front, I'm going to be using the smaller pins because I really want to hide them. I don't want them poking out, and then because that part is the frontal, I wouldn't want to be poking the lace. So while I'm using the bobby pins on that area, instead of putting it to poke into the unit, or rather the frontal, the lace, I am going to be pressing it upwards, so that it doesn't, poke the lace. So I'm going to keep going like this, and then when I get to the part where we have the padding, I'm going to start using the bigger pins. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, like and turn on post notifications so that YouTube will recommend my video to other people so I can make more money and be inspired to make videos like this for you guys. So we're done with the beading. I'm going to go ahead and decorate the hair with these pins, and we're going to also use the brass hairpins as we go. For me, the okuku is better off with all this ornaments because it just elevates the look. Don't you just love what we have here? And the makeup, beautifully done by Vivian's. Thank you so much for always coming through for me. I hope this video was really insightful and you really enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to, and also give this video a very big thumbs up like my other videos. Watch them, share them with your friends, because you know, like I always say, sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you always be the first to know whenever I post a video. So is there anything you'd like to see here? Do leave it in the comments, and I promise I'm going to come through. I love you all to the moon and back. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.